Many people believe that luxury travel requires a hefty budget, but I'm here to tell you that that's not necessarily the case. This misconception keeps many people from exploring the world in style, and it's time to break free from that mindset. Think about it. Just because you're on a budget doesn't mean you can't enjoy the finer things in life. In fact, with a little creativity and flexibility, you can have a luxurious vacation without breaking the bank. It's all about being strategic and knowing where to look for deals. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to plan your own luxury vacation on a budget. One of the main reasons people think luxury travel is expensive is because they assume it requires a 5-star hotel. But what if I told you that you can stay in a luxurious villa for a fraction of the cost? It's all about thinking outside the box and being open to alternative accommodations. And it's not just about where you stay, it's about the whole experience. With the right mindset and a few insider tips, you can turn any vacation into a luxurious getaway. So let's get into the nitty-gritty and explore some practical tips for booking affordable luxury accommodations, finding gourmet dining deals, and uncovering hidden gems in popular destinations. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to plan your first trip, these tips will help you experience the luxury you deserve without the hefty price tag. One of the most important things to remember when traveling on a budget is to be flexible. Being open to different destinations, travel dates, and accommodations can make all the difference in finding luxury deals. For example, consider traveling during the off-season or to up-and-coming destinations. Not only will you save money, but you'll also avoid the crowds and have a more authentic experience. Another key strategy is to look for package deals that include luxury accommodations, dining, and activities. These packages can often be cheaper than booking each component separately, and they offer a level of convenience that's hard to beat. When it comes to booking luxury accommodations, it's all about knowing where to look. Websites like Luxury Retreats and Airbnb offer a range of high-end villas and apartments at affordable prices. And if you're looking for a more traditional hotel experience, consider booking a luxury boutique hotel instead of a large chain. These smaller hotels often offer more personalized service and unique amenities at a lower price point. Another tip is to look for hotels that offer complimentary upgrades or perks like a free room upgrade or a wine and cheese hour. In addition to accommodations, dining is a major part of any luxury vacation. But you don't have to break the bank to enjoy gourmet meals. Look for restaurants that offer early bird specials or happy hour deals, and consider booking a cooking class or wine tasting to learn more about the local cuisine. And if you're feeling adventurous, try street food or food trucks. You might be surprised at the quality and affordability of these options. The key insight here is that with the right strategies, you can enjoy high-end experiences without the high-end price tag, transforming your travel experience. It's all about being intentional with your spending and seeking out the best deals. By doing your research, being flexible, and thinking outside the box, you can have a luxurious vacation that fits your budget. And that's what luxury travel on a budget is all about, having the freedom to explore the world in style without sacrificing your financial goals. To wrap up, remember that luxury travel on a budget is achievable if you plan wisely and seek out the best deals. Don't let your budget hold you back from experiencing the world in all its glory. With these tips and a little creativity, you can have the luxurious vacation of your dreams without breaking the bank. If you found these tips helpful, check out my other videos for more travel hacks, and share your own budget travel experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you enjoy luxury travel on a budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Pause 2S. Remember, travel is about the experiences and memories you create, not just the price tag. So go out there and explore the world without breaking the bank. Safe travels, everyone.